Hey guys, I'm in Mississippi and something bad just happened. This is my granddad's house. When we were outside and his dogs attacked my legs and my legs really hurt. I'm just playing Mario Kart because I'm in bed. Because that really hurt. I don't want nobody else to experience it. I'm not sure how come my mom and dad were okay. Oh, it hurts when I get up. It's hard for me to walk a little. It hurts when I do.
Keep going. I kept going right back.
What's up, buddy?
Oh,
Come this way.
thank you. Ouch.
Pushed him out almost.
You told YouTube what happened?
Yeah.
Did you?
Yeah.
Oh.
They had scratched me and my legs hurt.
Oh.
It looked like it was showing a little bit on my other skin.
You want to go to the hospital?
No. I won't.
Where you get that from down here?
It was my leg right here.
Mommy was there to pick you up and cover your mouth. Try to carry this huge child.
When I heard him,
Why you didn't run to help?
when I came over there, I was already halfway.
As soon as you heard screaming, like that could have been me. Cause if I would have heard you screaming like that, Mommy would have ran, jumped the fence to protect, make sure you were okay.
You two had him already.
It don't matter.
You and Papa.
That don't matter. I don't care how many people got it. Must do my child. I'm going to. I held that boy with one hand. I don't even know where I got the strength from. Strength. STREMF. Mama got her baby boy.
It hurts when it's hard for me to walk a little bit because I mostly walk using this.
No, you use both legs, so stop.
No, I'm serious. It hurts.
I don't look good
when
in
I
this
walk.
YouTube video. You want to go get Papa's recliner chair?
No.
I can hear you.
That's an actual gun.
Yeah, don't touch it ever.
Why did I touch it?
Out of curiosity.
No.
Okay. We gotta go on the back of the truck. The dogs can't get on the back of the truck.
They could?
No, they can't.
How?
They can't.
I know. I'm
On the
just.
back of the truck. The
Yeah.
back part. So you can see what's going on. You can sit in the back of the truck while they're doing this pig.
Well. Guy.
Feel better?
A little. Not as bad. It's absolutely freezing in this room. I'm not going out there. I'm not looking at any dog unless it's mine. I'm not looking at any dog unless it's Spike.
Very good.
Michael, listen, what you don't understand is you didn't grow up like in a country setting. Like I used to grow up. You recording me?
Yeah,
Mom ain't got no concealer on. Look a greasy mess.
it's
So,
fine.
You grow up in the country. It's a lot of loose dogs, but they don't bite. They don't mean they vicious dogs. But you can't act scared. Mom had your hand. Papa had him on a leash. They'll follow you. They follow me. I never met Blackie before, but I'm not scared of dogs. I used to be when I was a kid, but I don't want you to be scared of dogs. I want you to be comfortable with like outdoorsy stuff.
I'm
That's why I want us
not.
to go sit on the back of the truck and do stuff. You probably don't remember you did all this when you were little. 2 years ago. You haven't been down in Mississippi since. But you've been down here, hello?
Ah, ow. Ah, why am I running into a wall? This is actually really hard. I can't show you guys because then that you'd be seeing my underwear and I don't know. No. Oh gosh, this really hurts. Aw.